My name is Bevan Mahon and I'm the Managing Director here at the Dental Tech Group. We've been on a really exciting journey with the Lucitone digital print dentures because we're a little bit unique in that we have manufacturing here as well as we have clinics. So we're getting to see the whole journey from the analogue over to the digital as well as from the clinical side. Some of the downsides of the traditional analogue denture making is that it is really messy. So anyone who works in a lab knows there's a lot of dust, there's a lot of suction, there's a lot of smells and odours and things like that. And it also needs really highly technically skilled people, and that's something that we're all experiencing a shortage of, certainly in the most recent years. Well, we were looking for future-proofing the business, for starters. So we were looking for something that was going to help us to grow in capacity and be able to train people in-house and maybe not have everything as such high-skilled labour at every stage. So our main reason for picking Lucitone was because of high quality. So we did do our research and we had a look at the different products on the market, and there just really wasn't anything that matched the Dentsply Lucitone digital print dentures. For starters, they're so much cleaner. So the technology that has been brought along with these printed dentures means that we have a really clean workspace. It's very nice to work with, very tidy. And for me personally, there's a lot less waste. So that is one of the biggest things that we were looking at going forward with the future of the company, was sustainability and the amount of waste that we would currently have with analogue, with models, with the gypsum, with the plaster, the acrylic, absolutely everything. But with the Lucitone digital printed dentures, the waste is very minimal. And on the flip side, you have the amazing quality that it brings. So the beauty about our business is that I've been able to see the benefits from the clinical perspective as well as from the laboratory perspective. So I get feedback from our technicians as well as from our clinicians. And certainly with the high impact material, it is amazing in terms of how it strengthens straight away just by being in the mouth. The precision of the fit for the patients is phenomenal, and certainly we've found that the feedback is less chairside steps, less adjustments after fit and post-insertion, and it's just been an amazing opportunity for generating new business for us. We're getting really positive feedback. They're loving the fact that they don't need to come back for as many post-adjustment stages. They love the strength of it. They have this amazing confidence in the product. Certainly if you can drive over it with a car, they know how strong it is, and that's definitely giving them confidence when they think about breaking dentures or the wear and tear. So it's been huge for us in giving that reassurance to our new patients. From a clinical perspective, we've definitely seen that we're reducing the number of stages with patients. So the number of visits that they have to come for has definitely reduced, and that's been a huge improvement for us from a capacity perspective in our clinics as well as in the lab. So we've been able to market to new customers and new clients and bring them through that journey, make them aware of this fabulous product, and it is certainly changing how we do business.